Hi, I'm Priyanka. I am the founder of Logix Engine, a STEM learning center, and we are super excited today because it's day one for us at Maple Bear Nurseries, introducing the little ones to robotics, coding, and a lot of hands-on learning. It's about catering to the curiosity that they have at these younger years. I want him to explore and question every step of the way. We see cranes in Dubai, for example. I want a child to stand and watch and wonder and question what mechanisms are at work there, creating the scientific process of thinking and then exposing them as they grow up to identify, yes, this is what excites me and this is my learning pathway in life. STEM careers are what we are looking at when we look at the future. That's essentially what we do starting from a very, very young age. I have yet to come across, honestly, a child who's not enjoyed it. We do have a very systematic way in which things are delivered. We do have learning modules. We do have worksheets as well. But when I say worksheet, this is not like the school worksheet that I get as homework, which I have to sit and work on. I'm more designed around addressing what is the concept that was talked about today. What should I be asking my child when my child gets home?